Hello YouTube, hello lovelies, you're on the air with Vanity is Fair 1, number 1 Stunna. Okay, so we are about to open up a new pair of J's. This is the Air Jordan 4 Retro, and let's get into it. Let's open it up. From the house of StockX, baby. Okay, so this is what's going on right now inside the box. Some goodies. Take flight, baby. Take flight, baby. Okay, yes, these came in the mail a few weeks ago. I was gonna do a sit-down haul, but I didn't feel like sitting down. Okay, so look, check it out. Let's pull the papers back. Ooh. Let's peel them back. One more to peel back, baby. Ooh. Okay, are you looking at these? These are called Cave Stone. Okay, and the material is that of a nubuck suede. So these are given like a slate gray. If you know what slate is, this is giving a slate gray to me, and I like that, right? So this is the right shoe. This is obviously the left shoe. So let's take this one out. This is what we're working with. We are working with things of that nature. Taking flight. Taking flight. We are taking flight, baby. And this is the back of the shoe. Y'all know how I do it in a haul. Alright? But today I'm not hauling. Today I'm just talking about this one item right here. I will do, of course, some mod shots. And probably add that into the video or maybe separate on my short. Let's take out the left shoe. What are we thinking? What are we thinking? What are we thinking? I love the shoe. I think it is so cute. It's so comfortable. This is a 4. Alright, and this shoe actually was released last year in September. So this shoe's only been out a little less than a year, and you do see the StockX verification seal. Okay, so verified. But yeah, I just wanted to share these with you all. We're not waiting. We are not waiting. We're not waiting.